Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer money to your Robinhood debit card in 2025. If you're new to Robinhood or just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and hassle-free. Robinhood has made managing your finances straightforward, especially with their debit card that lets you spend, invest, and earn rewards all in one place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, that's step 1. Open the app, head to the Account tab, and look for the Banking or Transfers section. Here, you'll see an option to link a bank account. Tap on that and follow the prompts to connect your checking or savings account securely. This usually involves verifying your bank's details and might require a small test deposit. Once your bank is linked, it's time to initiate the transfer. Go back to the main menu and select Transfer Money or Move Funds. You'll be asked how much you want to transfer and from which account. Enter the amount. Remember, Robinhood might have daily limits, so check that first and confirm the details. Hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Processing times can vary. It might take a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank. A quick tip: always double-check for any fees associated with the transfer. Robinhood is generally fee-free, but external banks might charge. Also, for added security, enable two-factor authentication in your settings to protect your funds. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, reach out to Robinhood's support. They're pretty responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully moved money into your Robinhood debit card. This feature is a game-changer for seamless investing and spending. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.